Welcome to a deep dive into urban gold mining, where electronic waste becomes a source of precious metal. In this episode, we're following a complete process to smelt old mobile phone circuit boards and extract gold. We'll also analyze the yield and walk through each step in detail, from pyrolysis to cupellation to chemical recovery. Let's begin. Here are a few examples of old cell phones. Stripped, broken, obsolete. While they may look like junk, inside these devices lies a surprising amount of value. To begin processing, we first open the phones and extract the circuit boards. The pyrolysis kicks off quickly, producing vapors that condense into a thick, oily liquid. Surprisingly, no unpleasant smell escapes, indicating proper containment. Once the chamber has cooled, we open it to reveal carbonized boards, now easier to pulverize. The boards are ground down to separate metal from fiberglass. The result, soft wool-like fiber and metallic fragments. Steel is filtered out mechanically using the hammer mill screen. What remains is the concentrated gold-bearing material. Next, smelting. We use a heavy-duty cast iron ladle, loading it with the powdered material and some lead, which acts as a collector metal. A propane torch is used from above to achieve the required temperature. Once red hot, we begin adding chemical agents. To extract the gold from lead, we begin cupellation, a refining process that separates noble metals from base metals through oxidation. We form a cupel using Portland cement and water. The lead bar is placed onto the cupel and heated. prove separation, 30 grams of silver, previously recovered from MLCCs, are added. Under extreme heat, the lead oxidizes and gets absorbed into the cement. What remains is a precious metal alloy, mainly silver and gold, ready for chemical purification. The alloy is broken apart for the final phase, chemical recovery. We dissolve the remaining base metals, especially silver and copper, using nitric acid. About 250 millirals of acid is added, triggering a visible reaction. More acid is added as needed until the base metals are fully dissolved. What's left is a fine gold sediment, ready for precipitation and melting. From everyday e-waste to gleaming precious metal, this process reveals the hidden value inside what many consider trash. It's a combination of chemistry, metallurgy, and resource recovery, proof that with the right tools and knowledge, even old phones can yield gold.